Alright, day 45. We got the grandpa sled loaded up today. Probably gonna run it. Just, I don't need mine to break down, and it's not really that much fun. Not that riding the grandpa sled's gonna be that much fun, because, you know, you never run someone else's stuff as hard as you run your own. Well, not me anyway. But should still be a good day. Going out with Kyle, Nick, and Kyle. Too many Kyles.
Underrated, we the underdogs, underestimated. Underrated, we the underdogs.
There goes your license plate.
Kicking game on the snare drum, hard on the beat, let it bleed out like sacrifices, cut it open emotions, spilling like oil and coasting. Therapy for my mental, I'm pinning a pistol and shoot down the criticisms.
Here we observe Nick putting the sauce in the sled. The red sauce.
Special sauce.
Go-go juice.
Yellow.
Hello.
This is gonna be weird riding this thing. If you guys can even hear me today because of the stupid loud can on this thing. I don't know how I'm gonna use a thumb throttle. I haven't ran a thumb throttle in like 5 years. Did I lock my truck? God damn, I always do this. I'll tell you one thing, I already can't stand the loud can on this thing. Trying to get up through this cut block here. She's a little gnarly. It's fun though. Oh. Starting to snow out up here now. Kyle's making a run for the money. Or is that Kyle? Is that Kyle? Hear the turbo just running like a bag of crap at this elevation. There it goes. And some logging. Yeah, you can't see in the camera, all you see is snowflakes. I seem to make fun of the Polaris riders a lot on here, but Nick does have his side panel off. I can't say much though. Dr. Nick, diagnosing the patient.
Frustration is set in as he rips his hood off.
Great job. Trying to jump some trees here. that thing right off. Boys are out of control. Runs top notch. Man, I'm struggling on this sled. Oh, there's Neek. His riser is way too tall. Oh, how lovely to wash out on the ice.
Make it up. I'm at the top here. Well, got a big plateau up here. Right below that big rock
Fuck you, tree.
I followed your track and went
Oh, where are we going? Man, that sucks. We're so close to breaking into a new zone, and there's about, okay, let's say 100 feet of super steep shit right here that we're not gonna get through. That would have been sweet. Look how close we were to making it up. So we're right there, and that's the top right there. But you see this little bit of a cliff band that runs through? Defeated.
I made it out of that tree. I'm right at the...
What is the mastermind thinking? Kyle's down there somewhere. Got a little something there. I'm trying to pull up this hill to get up here. I thought I maybe saw a line through here and then I could cut back on this bench, but camera doesn't really do it justice how steep it is. It's yeah. I don't need to write off this sled, it's not mine. Where's Kyle going? Oh! Didn't make it as far as it did. That's a turbo wide open. It's steep. Oh, where's Kyle going? Oh, uh-oh. Oh. Bye. Sure. Well, I tapped something with the side of my helmet and the quick strap flew off. That's just another reason why I think quick straps are stupid and you should just run regular goggles. Nick is in the tree. What?
Dumb. That was dumb. That was really dumb. This dude's getting huge.
You're up.
Not doing it.
No.
That guy's up.
Who? Man, I am really struggling on this sled today in the trees. It's just super squirrely with these 8-inch bar risers.
I might need some help flipping my sled back over back here in a tree.
What was happening in there? Lots of sloughing in through here. Now the sun decides to come out. Back up. What do we have here? Kissing cousins. Oh my God, yes! We got some lovers up here. Well, we're just heading out for the day. Another awesome day. You know, I'd have more fun on my snowmobile, but I'm still happy to be out here snowmobiling. So, had a pretty wicked crew out today. Talented riders. I was probably the weakest one out here, especially being on this sled. I just really couldn't ride very well. Yeah, today after riding a thumb throttle for a full day, I don't think I could switch back to a thumb throttle. The finger throttle is just so much better in my opinion. I feel like I'm not even holding on to the bars today. I feel like I just have my hand like on the bar, but it's there to control the throttle. Whereas with the finger throttle, I feel like I have my grip on the bar and then I have an extra finger to use the throttle. I didn't realize how much more I really like the finger throttle, I guess, until today. Well, another day in the books. Alright guys, thanks for watching today's video. There was like 2 hours of footage including GoPro stuff, but I think I left my GoPro running for like a half hour at one point. Managed to cut it down to 20 minutes. Hope you guys enjoy. We'll see you tomorrow, day 46.